Welcome back to Buddy Smooth Crypto. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple process for calculating potential cryptocurrency profits using AMP token as an example. Step 1. Identify the current market price of the token. You can find this information on platforms such as CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, or your preferred exchange. As of today, AMP is priced at $0.003705. Step 2. Calculate how many tokens you can purchase. The formula is number of tokens equals investment amount divided by current price. If you invest $100 at $0.003705 per token, you will receive approximately 27,000 AMP tokens. Step 3. Determine the all-time high price for the token. AMP reaches all-time high of 12 cents on June 16, 2021. Step 4. Calculate the potential value if the token returns to its all-time high. 27,000 AMP tokens times 12 cents equals $3,321. Step 5. Subtract your initial investment for the potential value to determine potential profit. $3,321 minus $100 equals $3,221 in potential profit before fees and taxes. Please note, market prices are volatile and there is no guarantee that a token will reach its all-time high again. Always factor in trading fees and potential taxes, and conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. This is not financial advice. Thank you for watching Buddy Smooth Crypto. Subscribe for more educational cryptocurrency content and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Until next video.